Hello everyone! Who doesn't love cactus room decor? Sometimes this could be expensive or you simply want to make this by yourself. So without further ado, let's move straight into this video. For the first DIY, I'm using this piece of denim and a zipper. As you probably know, I will sew the zipper using a double thread, a blue thread. And now I'm showing you the process, a part of the process, because this may take a while, I'm not going to lie. But if you don't like sewing or if you're not really into it, you can basically glue this using fabric glue, but the safest process of this will be sewing, because this will last longer and you will have a beautiful pencil case. And after I'm finishing the first part, I'm just going to flip the piece of denim and I will repeat the process for the other part. And now I'm cutting the plus. And using a permanent marker, I'm drawing two beautiful cactus, and I will make this with double grain thread. If you don't like sewing, you can basically paint this using acrylics, or you can leave them like this if you like, but it wouldn't look so beautiful. Last but not least, I'm sewing the last two parts to make my cactus pencil case, and basically that's all you need to do for this DIY. I'm not using this for my school supplies, but makeup is also an important thing, so that's what I'm placing in this cactus idea. Moving on, I'm using a frame. This one is like a shadow box, and I'm keeping that paper to write something on this you are going to see. And as I've said, on this paper I'm writing cacti plus cactus eagle cactus. I mean, this phrase sounds amazing and it is so cute. You can make this as a gift for your boyfriend or girlfriend if you like. And because that's all I wanted to place on the frame, I wanted actually to be extra, and I'm creating two cactus using green clay. Again, I really like this DIY and I really love how this turned out. And last but not least, I'm placing the cactus on the frame and my cactus DIY is ready. Cactus bookmark, yes, this one is really easy and also super cute. A DIY bookmark ready in 2 minutes. For this one, I'm using a plain paper, a white paper, but you can use whatever type of paper you want. And as you can see, I'm measuring, and after that I'm cutting that part, and using a glitter paper I'm creating my cactus. And because it's a sticker paper, I'm just taking that sticker off and I'm placing the cactus on my new beautiful bookmark. And last but not least, I'm writing hugs because I think it's really cute, and basically that's all you need to do for this DIY. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more cactus DIY ideas, just let me know, because I can create clothes, another room decor ideas, and basically everything you want. So again, thank you so much for watching and have an amazing week. Bye guys!